young, life is fun. We gotta make the most of it, make the most of it.
Hey Derp Nation, how's it going? It is Derpy Smiler here coming at you with another video. Today I am reacting to SMG4 Mario's Hell Kitchen. I'm not really going to cut anything out of this video, it's going to be full, so please follow along with the link in the description below. SMG4 is a funny guy, and this is my first time reacting to one of his videos, I believe. So I actually want the full force of this. This is Mario's Hell Kitchen, and like, if it's anything like Hell Kitchen or a lot of Gordon Ramsay memes, that's why I want to react to it. So if you guys do enjoy this video, though, make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and let's just go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I messed that up. I hit somewhere else. Go. Alright. There's Bowser. Welcome to my cooking show. Wow, he's got his own show. 2 teams will go at it to see who are the better cooks. First, we have Team Spicy. Fishy Boopy. Oh, and Bob. SMG4 opposing them is Team Thick. Tari's like, Luigi, shoot me. Oh, lick my balls. What the heck, Mrs. Puff? What the heck is she doing? You ready, chefs?
Just like I promised Master Roshi, I will spare no thought.
And now for the dishes. PewDiePie. The elusive baked cake. It's a lie. The cake is a lie. The infamous roast chicken. I want to die. Teams will be competing in opposite kitchens. Are you ready?
You can do it!
30 minutes.
Okay, my guys,
here's the game plan.
Let's go to work.
You all have been given jobs that will maximize our efficiency. I think maximize is spelled wrong. Gather ingredients, mixing,
Hell yeah, boy!
frosting. Oh, wait, Meggy. Oven duty. Sit in the corner and do nothing.
What the hell?
You're too dangerous. I got injuring someone.
Want to see that again?
God damn it! Alright, well, I'm gonna go get the ingredients now. La, 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 la.
Come on, I'm actually a good cook. You got shit to do.
Oh, no!
They raid the entire thing, or those are just all like the.
So much.
Wait, are all the ingredients Bart? Clorox?
Are you not stupid? Only sometimes.
What the heck? What did Bowser just say? Let's get frosting. Oh, good one. No. Don't even think about it. You're not going near any of your toys after last. I get it. Ah, yeah, I remember that though.
I didn't know what to get, so I got everything. Are these eggs? No.
That's Eggman.
What about this? No. Oh, no. Hey, that's pretty good.
Just right, you're wasting time. If we put everything in, then we're bound to get some of the ingredients right.
Yes, sir, you bitch.
1 million IQ bitches. And now we just fix this crap. Hell yeah, I expect a promotion after this SMG4.
Is there any one of you who isn't a dumbass?
Timeout quarter. I gotta cook. I ain't sitting around.
I don't care. Okay.
Okie dokie.
Just gonna preheat the oven.
Here we go.
God!
SMG4 stopped Mario. Back in the timeout corner. Oh, 2, huh? Yeah. Oh, Maggie. Poor Maggie.
Look at that. That is some Mozart crap right there.
Damn. Bob, you're screwing it up again.
Hey, stay in the bowl. Asshole. Tell Satan to calm his tits. Order up.
Tell Satan to call his tits. sorry, I apparently can't cook, so I can't help.
Alright, folks. We're gonna need to cook some meat and chop some vegetables. Got it?
I'll get the chicken.
Excuse me.
That
Sorry.
isn't necessary.
No. God damn it!
Oh, just add sauce to it. Please don't yell. See, chef, we're cooking. Too slow. Come on, I want to get out of here. Oh god, what are you gonna do, dude?
Where's the lamb sauce?
Hey, Gordon Ramsay. There's the lamb sauce.
Here we go!
Mamma mia.
Oh, I get what he was doing. But I also see poison. Is that poison?
Hey, Tommy! Your hands look deadly. Can you help chop some vegetables, please? Okay.
Sorry, Mr. Carrot.
Huh? No!
I can't do it. What?
Chef Chan!
Okay, now, Mr. Carrot. Chewy's like,
Oh, hey, Psycho, can
No.
you help chop these vegetables? You seem good with a knife, just like one of them yanderes I see on the internet.
maybe we can add mushrooms to the dish.
That's a funny joke. Please don't hurt me.
Leave Chewy alone.
What?
There you go, trying to cook.
Hey, how about,
It's all happening again, just like Bob's house, guys. It's all happening again.
Ring, ring, ring.
Y'all better hurry up. You guys have a fire extinct? I have it on right time.
hello.
So how are you guys I'm having a team meltdown. Hey, are you copying us? Could use some help here. SMG4 admits I can cook. So stubborn. Even when his life is about to die. Even when his life's in his life. SMG4. Fine. You're okay at cooking, Mario.
Okie doke.
Let's go. Let's do it.
What time it is?
Oh yeah. Oh Christ, this is disgusting. What is this?
What the heck? What are you doing to Bob?
So tasty?
Holy crap, please don't eat my penis, please.
Oh. Hopefully he has like a change of attitude this time
I'm
around.
also gonna burn to death as well. What?
And so, oh, she wants to,
I understand. You're a touchdown man. You'll never be loved with that horrendous face of yours.
there we go. There you go. That was a good one, Truman. That was a good one. I'll give it to you. Oh, I didn't tell you to stop moving completely. I think he's dead. I offer you my humble sacrifice. Please don't eat me.
That looks delicious.
Dang. That's a good one. Psycho's on a roll. What happened? I blacked out.
Look at this. It's me.
I have an inkling.
Yeah.
He said Woomy.
Guys, we finished too. Yippee!
Woomy. Woomy. I swear, Mario was like, Woomy. Woomy. I'm so done now. Oh, no. Now, time for the first dish. It's gonna be bad, right? Yeah, so I thought. It's pretty bad. And the cake's gonna be even
Tastes
worse.
like kidneys.
Cake tastes even worse. Yeah, oh, to the hospital he goes. Yep. Yep. It was so delicious that he died. We won.
Congratulations!
That's one way of putting it. Good one, Mario. It's a one way of putting it. Alright, so you can see it's freaking bright. I don't have shades, sadly. But the video was good. It was funny. Just like always, SMG4 always outdoes himself, but there's not much to really be said. Hell's Kitchen. I was disappointed. There wasn't as many Gordon Ramsay memes as I thought there was going to be. Where's the lamb sauce? It's the only thing. He didn't even go up. Bowser didn't even go up to these guys and be like, "What are you?" Then one of them says, "An idiot sandwich." Like, disappointed, but it was still a good video nonetheless. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, like, subscribe, share, and also subscribe to SMG4 down below. Peace out.